Hey everybody, welcome to another Waifu Wednesday. This time around we have a new box of GoddessStory cards. This is the good old standby NS series. This is the NS-O8. So yeah, this was like the standard original series types. I open up, I think, an NS4 and above. The NS1, 2s, and 3s. Maybe I had a 3. Those were out of print by the time I started making these videos, so this is pretty retro feeling, although it's a new box, because look, it has new types of characters. Obviously has some Dragon Slayer characters. What do we got here? We got maybe a Hestia. I'm not really sure who that is. I never know who these cards are, so you guys have been helping me. Oh, there's a Ray. Hope I get that one. What is that? Is that an SSR? I hope I get that card. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to open these because it's always good to get new GoddessStory cards. They're always very consistent. And they kind of obviously started the trend of waifu boxes, if you will, at least from my perspective. Been doing this for a year and I started with these cards. So let's get right in here. I do want to warn you guys, I haven't been buying boxes lately because they're just a money pit. So yeah, I probably have about a dozen more. So hopefully this rides out through the end of the year, but we'll see. So yeah, let's dive right into pack number 1. And like I was saying, it's a lot difficult to buy boxes now. Not difficult in the fact that, like, it's not that they're hard to find. It's hard to find good boxes. A lot of the time they're really bad and you're spending like $30 for crap. So maybe I'll just stick with buying GoddessStory boxes, but we'll see. But I imagine that, what is this? NS-OBR 10? What does that mean? Oh, NS-O8R 10. So is that like rarity? So they're starting to finally put on here the rarity type on the numbering system. It's interesting. So like I was saying, AI art is really gonna proliferate cards, I think, soon, and that's definitely when I'm gonna give up. Don't get me wrong, I do like a lot of the AI art that's out there. There's a lot of photorealistic art, but you know, it's easy to just make at a push of a button. So these are already pretty like suspect on where they get the art from. So yeah, I gotta draw the line somewhere. Pack 2. And I'm sure you probably saw a spoiler, but I got a good card at the end. What is this? IWS 2000. Okay. Interesting. I've gotten this character before, but different art style. And yeah, this is NS-O7. Did I open an NS-O7 box? Probably did. That's probably why I recognize this card. So this, again, has old series cards. Yeah, I recognize this. I'm pretty sure. Maybe. And I got the Ray card. Simply amazing. I love it. At least it was an SSR rarity and not some crazy MR PTR thing. Awesome. All right, pack 3. Hopefully there's an Asuka card in here as well. Weird proportions on this one. That one's nice. Even though it is Love Live. Dupe already. Ooh, this one's cool. Huh. V-Singer. All right, pack 4. I got a dupe already. That's really bad. That one's okay. I don't know. The art seems off. Is it AI art already? You gotta look at their hands. They're getting better with the hands, but that was a clear giveaway. I mean, some of these might start getting into the AI art category. Would not be surprised. And a dupe of that one already. Pack 5. Dupes of all these already. Pretty sure I got this one. Is this an NS-O8? No, it's new. Okay, good. That's a dupe. And a Love Live SR, of course. Pack 6. Forgot how many packs these old boxes had. That one's good. Dupe of that, and that, and that, and that. Also forgot how many dupes they used to have. All right, pack lucky 7. This character again. I assume she's popular for 2 reasons. Dupe of that. And that one seems newer. Newer-ish. Simplistic SR. Because it's Love Live. Pack number 8. Dupe, dupe. Oh, we got a Lisa from Genshin Impact. If you've been following my Genshin Impact openings, you'll recognize her for sure. That art style is nice. And an SSR. Another Genshin Impact character. All right, pack 9. Dupe of that. That one's new. Newer. Again, NS-O8. That's a dupe. Getting a lot of this card. I forgot I would get a ton. Oh, this is Chainsaw Man. Duh. Interesting. And I got an SSR of that card on the side of the box. Very nice. And pack 10. Dupe of that. Dupes. It's newer. And Makima from Chainsaw Man. This is a very new set. NS-O8. I might have an NS-O8 that I haven't opened yet. So I'm going a little out of order here. Potentially. And pack 10. Dupe of that one. Not too bad. I like the water. And a dupe of this. Sorry, this is actually pack number 12. I easily lose track of which pack I'm on constantly. Constantly. Dupe of that. That one's cool. Girls Frontline card, I think. And Lucky 13. Dupes. Here, here, here. It's newer. $14. That's cool. Another cool one. Dupes. Cat Girl, of course. Darling and the Franks. Gotta watch that. 15. Dupe, dupe, dupe. This looks familiar. 16. That's a dupe. That's a dupe. And I got an SSR. Pretty cool. I like the foil stamping, as always. $17. And dupes of that, dupes of that. And a new SR. 18. Dupes of all these, of course. And that one's new. $19. That's a dupe. This one's new. Dupe of that, and a, looks like a new pretty good SR. Number 20. Dupes of these. That's new. Another Genshin card. Lots of Genshin cards starting to show up when I just finished opening up the last of my Genshin boxes of cards. Cool. All right, number 21. Hope I get that card. This one's staring me in the face this whole time. I want that one too. I think I've gotten this one. Not a good distribution of rare cards in here, if I'm being honest. But I think that's usually what happens with this lower cost set. $22. If I recall, SSR is the highest grade these like baseline sets go. We got the Pretty Derby one. Although, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I got that one. That's cool. 23. Dupes of these. SR that looks new. 24. All dupes, except for that one. That one's nice. $25. Dupes. Dazzling background. Wow, look at that. Holy cow. 26. All dupes, of course, except for that. I usually don't get a full SR set in these NS boxes. I'll get a full R set, that is for sure. 27. Dupes. Weird. 28. And the penultimate pack, 29. Oh yeah. This was a good box. Look, I got that card. This one's probably better, I'd say, but not too bad. Kind of your normal looking person, which is totally fine by me. And the final pack, number 30. All dupes, even the SR was a dupe. So yeah, there we go. That was the NS-O8 box. A new box in the GoddessStory compendium. I got some really nice SSR cards. I should have pulled that one out too. This one's good too. But I got one that I wanted, which is usually rare, but these lower end, cheaper GoddessStory boxes have SSRs as their highest rarity, so it's pretty easy to get some that you want. Yeah, I'd have to say I got the best cards that I could have wanted, except maybe that one, and maybe I did get that one. That one looks kind of cool too, though. So yeah, there we go. Here we go. I didn't even notice. This is the other side. So yeah, if you see, we've got SSR as the highest rarity, and then we got SR. Wow, there's a lot of those. That's why we got so many dupes, because look, there's not that many R cards. But I definitely, yeah, I never usually get a full SR set from one box. So yeah, there we have, oh, that one's cool too. There we have it. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what your favorite waifu of the box was. This one obviously was mine, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks, everybody.